Hello. As we saw in the previous videos, we did the installation of the plugin. We also did the installation of the theme. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about the updation of the plugin. So let's just see how to do that. So you go in the dashboard. Now you can just go in the plugins section. Now you can see the version over here that we need to update. So this is 1.2.1 and we need to update it. The Iqonic extension. So just go to add new and then upload plugin. Then we have the option to choose the file. So just choose file, just click on that and then just install now. Now just replace the old version with the new one. So this is the same thing, but it's the updated one. So our plugin is now been installed and is up to date. So now you can see the same section again, which is the 1.2.2. This is how we updated the plugin.